This man has to get me again here tomorrow because I can't see the falls. I can only see the clouds. I want to see the falls. Come
I
with
don't
me.
mind getting you tomorrow.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel Naughty and Curly. It's day 6 in Meghalaya and we are at Cherrapunji. And today we are planning to explore this beautiful town. But before we head out exploring, let's have some yummy breakfast.
What's up, guys? So we are heading now to Nokkalikai Falls. It's drizzling slightly. Let's see. It's around 6.8 kilometers from here. I hope the weather is good with us.
Absolutely nothing. All I can make out is one fall. Damn these clouds. Damn the rain.
You wanted the rains, no? But if it rains in Cherrapunji, it will be so nice. And see, I can't see anything. Where is the fall? What's up?
What's up?
Where are we?
We are at Cherrapunji.
Nokkalikai Falls.
No means
Jump.
Lika means it's the name of the lady who jumped
Jump
from
from
here.
there. So that's the reason
And that's
why
the reason why it's the name
Nokkalikai.
Nokkalika. Yesterday we learned the story behind this. Oh, Dua's coming out. Oh, yesterday we learned the story behind it. The story is there was a lady called Likhai. When she got married once again, so her second husband, he killed
her daughter.
from the first husband, and eventually made everyone eat the meat of the daughter.
And when
And
Likai
when
came
she
to know
came
about
to know
it,
about this, she jumped from this particular spot.
that's why it's called Nokkalikai.
Yeah. This weather is so fucking awesome. It's just not awesome for clicking photographs or getting a view of to show you guys. But for us, this is 100 times better than Khandala or Lonavala. For people from Bombay, Lonavala and Khandala is the best destination. But Cherrapunji is like really awesome. Trust me. Here there are hundreds and hundreds of waterfalls that you can see. This is just one of them.
This man has to get me again here tomorrow because I can't see the falls. I can only see the clouds. I want to see the falls. Come with
I don't
me.
mind getting you tomorrow. We'll come tomorrow again, okay?
Early morning. I'm
But then
awake
you will have
since
to-
8 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, and we are here at 12 o'clock.
It's been raining since last night. So
cares?
it's not my fault that the clouds are there. The clouds have been there in the morning 7:30 as well. The clouds were there at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12
He
o'clock.
wanted the rain.
It's not my fault.
Acha, it will be so awesome when it rains.
Unfortunately, due to the clouds, we can't get some good pictures of the waterfalls. But this is something which is traditional. We thought we should show you how beautiful and how awesome this way of living was. These are the natural steps that were built by the Khasis, making use of the stones that were available. Okay, it's tiring. This is how a traditional Khasi house looks like. The entrance. This basket is multi-purpose. Right now I think the use for this basket is for throwing litter. This is the house. This is the inside of the house. This is their rain jacket. Normally, because they've been climbing the mountains, so they've always been tilted towards the front. So it's a very good way of covering the upper part. I don't know if you can see the upper part. This goes on the head and the rest covers your back.
Okay, this is, I think, the fireplace or the kitchen.